What is the importance of TTL field? Now here you see we have a TTL field. This TTL is for time to live, and the packet has a time to live. Why do we require this? The TTL is the lifespan or the lifetime of the data that is being sent. Time to live, because after that time, what will happen? Once after that specified time is over or elapsed, the data will be discarded, or it can also be stated as the number of hops that packet is said to exist in the network, after which the packet is discarded. There is number of hops or the time after which this packet will no longer be in the network. Why? Because there are so many networks, so many packets which are being roaming around. They are drawn by the routers and different electronic devices. So the purpose of TTL is to avoid situation in which an undelivered datagram keeps circulating in the network. That is, those which we call them immortals. So the purpose of TTL, this is time to live, is to avoid a situation in which the undelivered datagrams keep circulating on an internet system that will swamp the network. So TTL, or time to live, of an IP packet I am talking about, represent the number of IP routers that the packet can go through, or number of hops before being discarded eventually.